RoboPapa.
Hey YouTubers, RoboPapa here, and today I'm going to show you a nice software to work and program your Arduino by drag and drop of components. Also, I wanted to note out that the new videos that I've already uploaded, how to use the shift register and creating a voltage divider. So make sure that you're catching on those, as well as how to install Windows 10 on Raspberry Pi 2. Right, let's get started with the software. The software itself, its name is Visuino, and it's coming from Mitov software. It's a very cool software where you can drag and drop components to actually program your Arduino. They have a lot of components and they're still working towards increasing it. Right now it's on beta 32. That's the version that I have over here. So on the left side over here, you have actually the visual of your workstation, where the Arduino is over here on the left, and then your components can come either side of it, and it will automatically shift them the whole view. You can update or change your Arduino just by clicking this toolbar, and you will see all the Arduino boards that they support. From the Uno to the Leonardo, the Mini, and the Nano, etc. Like I said, they have a lot of components from analogs to digital to servos, certain gates. They also have the Arduino ultrasonic range. It's a very nice addition to the software itself. Also, when you're hovering on certain pins or outputs, it will actually highlight where you can actually connect. So for example, this input can come from this analog output, and it automatically will connect them. And I can connect this output to a serial, for example, etc. So it's a very nice way to visualize how your components actually interacting. So today I'll just show you like a simple example using the Arduino Uno with a blink LED and then a generator to generate some values for a servo. So we'll start by dropping a servo over here, and we also will need to drop a pulse generator for the LED. So I can actually type over here the pulse, and I'll drag it over here. And I will connect my LED to pin 8. So I can drag this one to 8. And then for the servo itself, I will actually generate like a sine generator. The reason that right now it's not highlighted or I cannot actually see it is because the pulse generator is being selected. So if I unselect that, then you can see that I have the sine generator over here. And the output of this sine generator will go into the servo. And let's say that I want to see it also as part of the serial. That way I can see the values that are coming out of it. You notice if I select the sine over here, I can change the amplitude and the frequency, but for now that will be good. And then I'll connect the servo to pin number 9. So this will kind of like generate me a PWM values for the servo, and it will go back and forth depending on the values. So let me generate the file, and we'll view it in the IDE of Arduino, and we'll see exactly what it's being generated. It's including already all the important libraries, and when you're installing the software, it's actually going to be part of the Arduino library. And you can see that they're using over here namespaces, the way that it's containing the declaration and the usability of the code that comes from the software itself. We're declaring the serial over here, and we have the serial input, the float, and then we're declaring the 2 pins, the 8 for the LED and the 9 for the servo itself. And then this is where we're declaring all our variables, and then we're setting it up. And with that, that's actually supposed to generate everything that we need. So we'll be able to actually build this and see how it works. So let's compile. And you can see it's built correctly. And we'll upload this. And everything goes well. We can see the LED over here being pulsed. And we move the camera, that way you can see it. And then we can see also the servo over here being in a sine wave going back and forth. And the way that I did this, I connected pin 8 of the Arduino to the LED, and pin 9 is part of the servo output. And there you have it. Just by dragging and dropping a couple of components, I was able to actually generate a small software over here. So this is it. That's all I have for today. So let me know what you think, and don't forget to join that group. It's a very cool software, and they're updating it constantly. As always, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe because it helps a lot. Alright guys, thanks.